Inspired by you, Deco Rug.
The Quest Rug collection is a contemporary range made from quality poly-blended yarn. It's finely woven and comes with a 12mm pile. Quest rugs have a multi-pile height, creating an embossed pattern effect and giving them that extra touch of style. The specially formulated yarn is soft touch but very hard wearing, so Quest rugs will keep their good looks for longer. Here's what else you might like about the Quest Rug collection. There are 14 different designs to choose from, and they're available in all standard size options, including 3-metre haul runners. They are completely colour fast, so you don't need to worry too much about the usual spots and spills. Most will clean out with relative ease. The heat set fibre is anti-static and non-shedding. No amount of wear and tear will cause fluff or dust build-up, so they're perfect for a clean home environment. The Quest Rug collection, made in Turkey by Merinos. Beautiful styling with up to 14 designs to choose from in all standard sizes. They're great value, they're good quality, and available now for you to purchase online or at your preferred Deco Rug retail store. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy shopping with us here at Deco Rug. Bye for now.